Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. If you have been looking for a way to make meal planning and meal prep just a little bit more convenient, then you should look into these MCIRCO glass containers. Oops, it's upside down. These containers are wonderful because with it being glass, you can put it in the microwave, the freezer, and it's even oven safe. It also has a nice tight silicone seal around the lid so that they are leak proof. Now the 3 compartments do not go all the way to the top, so if you're trying to keep liquid in one section and not the other, then that's not going to happen, but it does keep it from spilling out of the container, as you can see. One of the great things about these, besides it being leak proof, is that it holds so much food. And I love that it has the 3 different sections. So you can make a big meal at the beginning of the week and then put part of it in each slot of the container and have food all week long to take to work. My kids don't like to eat fruit when they're still in the plastic containers. So if I put them in here, they're easy to see. I love that these containers are so easy to use. They keep my food fresh and they wash up really nicely. These will definitely help make your meal prep easier. And that's my point of view.